y'all, it's Taren. Welcome back to my channel, and I'm very excited for this video because I have partnered with a company called Smile Brilliant. I've always wanted to try like teeth whitening trays. I've never done any sort of like professional teeth whitening, so I'm excited to unbox this with you and show you how to make your impressions. This is just part one of a series of videos that I'll be doing to kind of show you how the teeth whitening works, how you do it, the results. That's a huge deal. People like to see the results. So what we're gonna do first is I'm going to unbox this for you, show you what you get in a kit if you were to order, and then we'll get into the impressions. So here's what it looks like when it comes in the mail. Unboxing, we have a teeth whitening gel. We also have some desensitizing gel. This is good if you get sensitive teeth really easily whenever you whiten your teeth. Hashtag smile fearlessly. All right, and then here is the big box. So, opening it up, so this is what it looks like. You've got your couple of impression trays. This is what you mix together to build your impressions. You've got your teeth whitening gels, your desensitizing gels. I guess they just send you a bunch so that you have plenty. And then underneath this is your return packaging. So once you've done your impressions, you'll slide them in this like prepaid postage and send it back. But it's important down here underneath this packaging is a card that you must fill out and send back. So this is the agree to the terms card. They made this very clear that you need to fill this out when you send back your impressions to be sure that you actually get your impressions in the mail. So that's important if you do sign up or get this kit, that you fill this out and send it back. So to mix your trays, all you do is take one base and one catalyst, one blue and one white, and then we're going to mix them together. So what the instructions say is to take out each like little gel ball, make it into an actual ball, and then you'll mix them together. They say it's important to make sure that you don't have any white left whenever you're making these impressions. So make sure that all you see is blue before you put them in the trays. Okay, now I've got only blue, so I'm gonna take me a tray. They say to make this into almost like a hot dog. So we're gonna make it into a hot dog. You have 30 seconds from when you are done and put this in here to put it in your mouth. So don't press it down too hard, but you wanna make sure you get that gel in there. Okay, I'm going to now put this on the upper part. Oh, what? Make sure you leave it in for 3 minutes. I didn't say that. Pull it out. It's also important to remember when you put the tray in not to bite down or push too hard. I mean, you're gonna have some overflow with the gel. They say just to kind of rub that up to your gums to get a better impression. So now what I'm gonna do is sit this one to the side, and then we're gonna go on with the lower tray. It's been 30 minutes since we've done these impressions, so I'm gonna take them and run them under cool water to just kind of get rid of anything extra that may be hanging out. I wanna tell you too, they send you a couple of extra gel, like paste and blue packs in case you do mess up. So don't be worried if you mess up, you can always start over and do it again. So now I'm gonna drop those in the mail. Once they're completely dry, they're completely hard, and from the moment you drop them in the mail, about 2 weeks later, you'll get your trays in. And like I said in the beginning, this is just the first in a series of videos, so once those trays come in, I'll give you a little demonstration, like behind the scenes, show you how to use the whitening gel, how to insert the trays. But I think it's really important to show you a before picture, so I'm gonna throw a picture up on the screen right now, and this is my smile before. I'll continue to take pictures throughout the process to show you step by step how much whiter my smile gets. If you are interested in this, hold tight because I have a giveaway coming up. Also, I've got a coupon code, a bunch of fun stuff happening, so stay tuned for more updates on Smile Brilliant. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to hit the subscribe button, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.